Okay, this is a quick video showing you how to disable that TPMS system on a 2003 to 2007, I believe, at least 2006 4runner, 4th gen. Mine was solid, and everybody said just pump up your spare, because I had already pumped up all the other tires. So I did that, and I got back in the car and it was blinking. So then I took it to a discount tire, and they told me 3 of the sensors were dead and 1 had a low battery, and it was going to cost at least $15 a wheel to take the tire off and put it back on. And then I found the sensors for $50, but I'd rather just disable it, and it's really easy. So here's how you do it. You just turn off the car, walk around down here under your glove box. There's 1 screw. We just pull this out and down. There's 3 of those yellow clips. Right there's your TPMS monitor. Just push down right there, pull it out. Now if you look, that 3rd one over is pink and black, and then down here, oops, sorry, on the bottom, 3rd one in is pink, or white and black, sorry, white and black. 3rd one in on the bottom, 3rd one in on the top. So all you got to do is just find a small piece of wire like this, or you could even pull some strands out of a piece of copper wire. Sorry, I'm trying to film this and do this all with one hand. So you stick that in, 3rd pin up there. And the 3rd pin like that. Make sure they're in there kind of good. Just like that. Put a little piece of tape over it. Just to kind of keep the wire in there. And then we're just going to reinstall this. Just like that. Put our screw back in. Just like that. Now we'll walk over. Get in the car. And now the light is gone. And I tried just unplugging it without doing that little jumper wire, and it didn't work. But anyway, there you go. Quick and easy. Probably would have taken about 30 seconds if I wasn't trying to film it. Thanks for watching.